Okay, so here in front of us we have a Galaxy Note 2. I just got it yesterday, and I just want to show you how long it takes to recharge a battery. Uh, I want to show you this because I've had an iPhone and I was very impressed with the 30-minute ability to charge, but still, I prefer this way better. So I'm in Korea, so in Korea, all Galaxy phones are sold with this combo. It just comes with the box. So it comes with an external charger here, battery case, and an extra battery. So this is the process that you would go through each morning to swap the battery, right? Swap the battery, turn it on, okay, and put this one for charging, and there you go. So as you can tell, it takes no time to charge the Galaxy Note 2 or any Galaxy phones for that matter. If you have this setup, and you could buy this exact same setup. It comes with the adapter, battery charger, external battery charger, and the probably comes with this battery case as well, just in case you want to take the battery with you, and an extra battery. All that comes is about $50 at the Samsung store. It should become available pretty soon. Okay, so there you go. You could see how quickly it shut down and started up as well. It was very fast because it's running the latest Jelly Bean device. So, okay, thanks for watching.